Hey there, iPhone lovers! Got your shiny new iPhone 16? Let's get it set up in no time. First, power it on by pressing and holding that side button. See the Apple logo? Great! Now, choose your preferred language and your country or region. Easy, right? Next, connect to a Wi-Fi network or use your cellular data. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your device. Simple so far? Now it's time to sign in with your Apple ID. Don't have one? No worries. You can create a new one right there. For security, you'll be prompted to set up Face ID or Touch ID. Just follow the instructions to scan your face or fingerprint. And don't forget to create a strong passcode. Next up, you have a few options to transfer your data. You can restore from an iCloud or iTunes backup, transfer directly from another iPhone, or start fresh. Choose what suits you best. Finally, customize your settings. Set up Siri, adjust your App Store preferences, and tweak your location services. And voila, your iPhone 16 is all set up and ready to go. Enjoy exploring all the new features and have an amazing time with your new device. Catch you in the next video. This concise and engaging script will help iPhone users easily set up their new devices, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience.